In this video, we'll take a quick look at how to create a new calendar and how to share that calendar out by getting a shareable link. There are two ways to make a new calendar. I'm at calendar.google.com. On the left-hand side, next to other calendars, I can click my plus button here and go to create a new calendar. I can also access this across the top under the settings menu gear icon and then settings again. On the left-hand side menu, I can scroll down to add calendar and then click to add a new calendar here. I need to give my new calendar a name, so if I wanted to make one for one of the subjects that I taught, I type that in here. I can add a description if I want, and then I have to click create calendar. This process does take about a minute sometimes, so you have to wait just a moment. But once it loads, you'll see that calendar on your left-hand side under settings for my calendar. You're going to pick that calendar so you can adjust the share settings and get that shareable link. So now our calendar has been created. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to select it. And then I want to scroll down, and under access permissions, I want to click to make my calendar public. It gives you a little warning. You're going to click OK, and this is just saying that anybody that has a link or searches for it is going to be able to see the event details on this calendar. I then want to scroll down. You'll notice here, share with specific people. If I needed to add another editor to my calendar or specific people, I can, but I want to get a link. So when I scroll down under integrate calendar, I'm going to grab the public URL to this calendar. So I'm just pressing copy on here. And if I go into a new tab and paste it, anybody who has a link is going to basically see this. It's a blank calendar, but as I add event dates to it, it's going to pop up here for others to view. Let me show you a sample that I've used in a previous class before. So as you can see, if this was a calendar I was using, parents and students can click on here to see more information, but basically they can see what's going on every single day in our class. They also have the option in the lower right-hand corner to click the plus Google Calendar button, which will add this calendar to their own so that they can see it as a other calendar and can turn it on and off to view it within their own Google Calendar view. One other quick tip I have is to use a URL shortener like tinyurl.com and create a custom URL for your calendar. So I put that long link that I got from my calendar settings in here, and then I come up with a unique ending. So I might say something like ENG English 3 Moody, create tinyurl or make tinyurl, and now in my classroom and with parents, I can share out tinyurl.com/ENG3Moody, and as I add anything to that calendar back on Google Calendar, it's going to show up for parents and students.